Let me tell you something real. Sometimes it's not you people have a problem with, it's the love you receive, the way people back you, the way favour seems to follow you, the positive way others speak of you. That kind of love can highlight what others feel they're missing, and instead of healing, they project loudly. But don't you dare internalize that. Don't start shrinking, over explaining, or even questioning yourself because someone else is uncomfortable with how you're loved. That's not humility, that's self betrayal. All you need to do is stay grounded, stay gracious, stay exactly who you are, with the knowledge that not everyone who appears to dislike you is actually reacting to you. Stop carrying what is not yours to carry.